To resize multiple images at once in Photoshop, you can use the Image Processor feature. Open Photoshop and go to File. Select Scripts, then select Image Processor. In the Image Processor window, select the folder containing the images you want to resize by clicking Select Folder. Input the quality number you want for the resized images. Input the maximum width and height values that you want for the resized images. Click Run. Photoshop will automatically resize all the images in the folder based on the settings you provided. A JPG folder will be automatically created in the original folder of your images. Open the JPG folder. You will see all the newly resized images.